In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark on Filmora 15. So you can see I have already opened a project on here. Then first of all, I select this line. I want to add watermark going on this title. Then add a title. Then okay, I write here my name. You can add multiple. First of all, first select this watermark, then going to advanced. Then you can see this is opacity. You can keep it more smaller. Okay, this is good. Click on apply. Then you can see this watermark right now visible. So if I decided to add multiple watermark, then you can copy it here. If I playing this video, you can see it's watermark. You can customize your own way. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you again.